Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Kisho inu holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Kisho inu today update. What surprise changes occur in the Kisho. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So now here, if you talk about the Kisho, latest price, now you can see here the right now price of Kisho is about 0.00001 USD dollar, guys. The price of Kisho is still very low, guys. So if you want to buy Kisho, so I think it's good to buy Kisho, guys. And furthermore, if you study the changes updates, so now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, price changes when the Kisho is completely negative. Very badly the price of Kisho dump. Very badly, guys. I'm very sad to see these positive and negative changes, guys. Sorry. Now, guys, you know what? Congratulations. I'm talking about the pump of Kisho, the huge pump which is coming soon, guys. Now, here the price chart is missing, but the update is that, guys, that now I believe, guys, that possibilities, you know what, in the ending of a month, holders decide to sell. But in the beginning of a new month, a lot of people decide to buy a new coin. A lot of investors decide to invest in a new coin. So now a higher possibilities, guys, Kisho is a low price coin. So possibilities we can't say about the future, but possibilities that people are invest in a Kisho, guys. Invest in a Kisho, guys. So now there is a higher possibility that in the October, in the beginning of October, Kisho will take a huge pump, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update about Kisho? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.